Hello, second grade, Mr. Mush here. All right, this week we read a story called The Indian Paintbrush about little Gopher and how he tried to paint the sky. All right, so we're going to be like little Gopher and we're going to paint the sky as well. Now, if you have watercolors at home, I highly recommend you use watercolors to blend the sky in, just like my example here. Okay, if not, I will show you how to use crayons. All right, how to blend the sky, because we're using crayons for the ground here, but normally when we're in school, we blend it in together in the paint in the sky. All right, so I'm going to show you how to get started. All right, so for this project, we're hamburger style, left to right, horizontal. I'm going to write my name, Mr. Mush, in the corner. Make sure you flip it over. All right, so to get started, we're going to draw 3 hills. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, kind of like our farm project. All right, and except on these hills, we're going to draw things that we remember from the story. So maybe we'll draw some teepees, some flowers. You draw some flowers that were sticking up. You can fill a whole hill with flowers if you truly want to. Maybe a fire. Okay. All right. What else did I draw? Okay. Horses. If you want to draw some horses, draw a rectangle legs, 2 lines for the head, like that. The tail. We can definitely draw a little Gopher painting. I'm going to draw him right here. I'm going to draw his buckskin. And he's going to be painting a circle for his head, rectangle for his body, little paintbrush, his headband, his long hair, his nose. Okay, and he's painting the sky just like us. I'm going to have the sun setting over here. I like the one pole that I saw in the story. It almost looks like a candy cane. It has cloth blowing in the wind. I mean, you could add buffalo. I'm going to draw their head, their horns. Okay, buffaloes have the little humps. Okay. More teepees. Maybe a teepee's back here. It's up to you what you want to draw. Okay. And I'm going to add more flowers. Can't go wrong with the flowers. Okay? So then what you're going to do, once you have all your things on your hills, okay, don't forget to add designs on your teepees. Okay? Okay? So once you're done that, you're going to color in everything down here. Like, I'm going to take my green. Okay. You can make them greeny, like for the grass. You can make them yellow or orange because they were kind of in the desert, but maybe they're on a grassy part of the desert. It's up to you. I'm going with the green. Okay, and then I'm going to take my brown. I'm going to do my designs on my teepees. Before I shade over them. Okay. Just like that. I'm going to color my buffalo really lightly. I'm going to color the horse. I'll color the pole. The pole was red and white, so I'm just going to do a pattern, red, leave it white, red, leave it white, red, and the strands were red. Okay. And you get the point. You got to color everything in. I'm going to just color in the sun. But when you're coloring in your sky, make sure your crayons don't have wrappers on them. And you're only going to use the warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. Okay, I'm going to put the red at the top. Okay, whoops, crayons are flying. Okay, and then I'm going to do orange. And I'm going to do yellow at the bottom. Just like that. And that's how you can blend your sky with crayons. Okay? But make sure you color in your flowers. I have to color in all those things, but make sure yours is like mine. You color in everything. Okay? Everything should be colored in. If you have watercolors at home, paint the sky in with your watercolors, do a blend, just paint it red, then a little bit of orange, make sure you blend it together, and then yellow, and it will look fantastic. Okay? So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this project this week. I can't wait to see your Indian paintbrush drawings / paintings, and until next time, take care.